When you're sick and tired of having oatmeal for breakfast and looking for easy microwave alternatives, here are 4 options.
The ingredients for egg in a cup are super simple. Add 1 or 2 eggs to your cup. Add a splash of milk if you have it, or you can substitute powdered milk. A little bit of cooked meat, I like ham, a little bit of cheese, and then mix them all together. After that, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, maybe minute 15 seconds. When it's finished, pull it out. And there you have a cute little egg omelet. And it's pretty tasty too. There are 2 easy ways to make pancake in a cup. The first is with pancake mix. Make sure the ratios are the same as what is on the back of your instructions. Add the pancake mix, add the water, stir it up, make sure that it's thick enough that it falls off your spoon but it's not running like water. Put it in the microwave for your standard 1 minute. And voila, you have a pancake in a cup. Fancy that baby up with some bananas, some peanut butter, or chocolate chips or blueberries. You can even microwave it in there if you want. The other easy way to make pancakes in a cup is mixing your own. Do about 1/4 cup of flour, a spoonful of sugar, it's about 1.5 teaspoons, and a pinch of baking powder, but a pretty big pinch. Otherwise it won't puff up. I like to add a little bit of powdered milk to my water if I have it. If not, that's okay. Add your water and stir it. This is as thin as you want it. You don't want to have any more water than this. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute, take it out, and you have a pancake.
There you go, dude. You're welcome.
Cut it up into a pancake and put on your toppings. Making oatmeal muffins in a cup is pretty simple. You add 1 bag of instant oatmeal, 2 spoonfuls of flour, and it can be gluten-free if you need gluten-free oatmeal, a pinch of baking powder if you want to, that's optional. I decided not to. A little bit of water. I used 1/4 cup, and because I didn't have any oil, I added applesauce. It can really be any food pouch. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute, and voila, you have a muffin.
Mama gave me the rest of the food pouch, so I had my orange juice, and I poured it in, and I made like a glaze for it.
How is it?
It's really good.
All right.
Mom, microwave meal is coming soon.